away and north and south are attracting. So here attracting this up, if I bring it like this here, so this will be attracting here, this, see, just see, I think it will be visible to you. So if I do this and if I change the pole, then what happens? The pole of the magnetic compound needle also changed. Just see, this is attracted. So the magnetic force is, as I earlier told you, this is the force of attraction or repulsion, or you can say the force of interaction between a magnet, two magnets, or a magnet and a magnetic material. So in this non-contact force means where the force between the two objects is in such a manner they are not touching each other. The third is magnetic force. That means the force of, here again, interaction, may be attractive, may be repulsive. So force of an interaction between two magnets or a magnet and magnetic material is known as magnetic force. So when a magnet is brought near to some magnetic material like a nail, then this magnet attracts the nail. If this is the north pole of a magnet and this is the south pole, and the another magnet of south pole is brought near to the north pole of this first one, then they will attract. So like poles repel, these like poles repel and they attract. So unlike poles attract and like poles repel. North will repel, south will repel, north and south will always attract. And magnetic material, similarly, some kind of magnetic material will be attracted by the magnet or some will be repelled by the magnet. Just case of the iron, nickel, cobalt, they are attracted by the magnet. So these things will also be cleared with the help of activity. I'll show it with you, and you can just observe it very keenly and see what is happening there and what is explained by in the class. Now, the third non-contact force is magnetic force. So here we have this bar magnet. This is also a magnet. These are the compass needle. This is the screwdriver, you can say. ये कुछ board pins हैं. This is hook, iron hook. This is iron, this is aluminum, these are iron nails, this is eraser, this is the plastic, this is the plastic sheet, and this is iron rod, this is nut, and this is the bolt. And let us see how the magnet behaves. So here this magnet attracts this iron nail, even this also, just see, it attracts. Whether it is the north pole or south pole, both will attract. This rod, this is attracted, just see, this is attracting, just see. This is not so much stronger magnet, just see, it is attracting, see. South will also attract will the same way. Magnet attracts the magnetic poles. This magnet is very strong, that is why, just see, the all pins, they are attracted. Now this magnet is stronger, very strong. Even this will pick it, just see, it picks up. This will pick this node bolt. Even this all in such a strong magnet is there, but it is not picking these. So whenever this bartan wala comes to you, or in bartan shop, if you are purchasing the stainless steel, so how to check this it is pure stainless steel? Just take the magnet, so it is not going to attract if it is pure stainless steel. And this is the aluminum, it is not. Even this rubber is not being attracted, even this plastic is not being attracted, but this will get attracted. This, just see, this will attract all, just see, just see. This is very strong. And even this one influences the compass needle from here, just see, just see, such a distance, long distance it is influencing it. Now we'll see the like poles repel. In between, this is the south pole, so they will attract, north and south will attract, north and south will attract. So here this north pole will repel. Just see. Repelling. North will be repelled. Just see. The north is being repelled here. Pole. So, and the red one is north pole. This. So, this south is attracting and the north pole is being repelled. Just see. This both, just see, then red one are doing away and north and south are attracting. So here attracting this up, if I bring it like this here, so this will be attracting here, this, see, just see, I think it will be visible to you. So if I this, and if I change the pole, then what happens? The pole of the magnetic compass needle also changed. Just see, this is attracted. अभी तक अगर आपने जो है वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, तो आप इसको सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें, ताकि आपको हर एक वीडियो जो है ऑटोमेटिकली आपको मिलते रहेंगे। और जब कभी भी किसी और साथी को, अपने बड़े भैया दीदी को, क्योंकि इस चैनल में मैं आपको 8वीं से लेकर के 12वीं क्लास तक के सारे कॉन्सेप्ट दूंगा, तो उनको आप देख सकते हो। अगर आप 10th में हो और ये 8th का है, तो हो सकता है कोई ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट आए जो आपको उस समय समझ नहीं आया था, अब जो है इसको देखेंगे तो समझ आ जाएगा। तो इसलिए उसको भी देख सकते हैं आप, छोटी क्लास का भी देख सकते हैं, बड़ी क्लास को भी आप देखना चाहते हैं। अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट ज़्यादा है तो आप थोड़ा हायर वाली क्लास को भी देख सकते हैं। तो ये सब तभी पॉसिबल है जब आप सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे चैनल को, और जब कभी भी दूसरे लोगों को भी ज़रूर हेल्प करें, उनको भी आप इनको शेयर कर दें, ताकि उनका भी भला हो। अगला जो है